we doing? We are back. It's Friday afternoon. Got ourselves a nice little care pack from TEGRAL here, so let's open this thing up, have a look at what's in there. Open this thing up, see what's in there. A couple of new straps, new products. Oh yeah, how's the hat? First thing I noticed is a hat, trust that. Truck and Supply Co. TEGRAL, that is cool as. I'll open that up shortly. A bit of a price list. Nice. There you go, that's what we got in this box. V Lash web straps. Nice. That's what we're going to test out. Nice, nice, nice. Packing. A couple of jelly bean packets. Nice. Thank you very much. This is not what I was expecting in this box. Thought I was just going to get a couple of straps and that was it. Thank you. From TEGRAL. No. Thank you. Wow. That's cool. Cool, cool, cool. Couple of stickers. Definitely going straight on the back of the trailer, I reckon. Nice. And here we go. This is what we're after. Got a 9 m V Lash. And we have a 11. I think this is an 11. Pretty sure it's 11 meters. V Lash. So they're color coded now. These ones I got to try out because I've been using a couple longer ones inside the big truck recently. So yeah, wow, how cool is that? Stay tuned for a working review on these TEGRAL V Lash straps. Very excited. Even the cows are happy. Wow, that's cool. I'm definitely gonna wear that. That's cool as. Nice, nice, nice. Definitely not what I was expecting on a Friday afternoon. Cool, cool, cool. All right, it is time to do the first test with these TEGRAL V Lash straps. Let's get this curtain open and see what it's all about. How good is this hat, by the way? Fits perfectly. So we have 9 m blue and we have 11 m yellow. The rest of the colors are here. I'll put them here somewhere, but let's go throw this blue one, see what it looks like. When you open it up, that's how you're gonna get them. Nice Ziploc bag to keep them safe. Bust this thing off with some side cutters. We got that strap through, so let's check it out. Let's get ourselves a pull down ratchet, short tail pull down ratchet, also from TEGRAL, as with most of my straps in it. Let's set this up somewhere here so we can see what we're working with. So the problem these V Lash straps are solving is this: frayed, absolutely mangled. They get worse than this. I've seen toolboxes full of them and you're going through strap after strap trying to make it all work and figure it out. So trying to feed this through, especially if it's like a windy, rainy day, your emotions have already got the better of you and you're here trying to jam these things in with just no luck whatsoever. Along comes V Lash, straight in. Straight in. That easy. That easy, that simple. Give it a quick tighten up. Roll it up. And you're done. Just as simple as that. Quick roll. No drills or easy outs around here. It's all hand. But that's it. Roll it up. Pop them on the deck. You're done. Just, we'll count the seconds, but it's that easy. But I reckon you'd be saving 5 minutes. 5 minutes a load. dealing with frayed straps or even normal straps. Sometimes they just don't go through. They're not really that frayed, but just trying to get them to stub in and get them in, it just doesn't always happen. So very, very pleased with this strap. It is also what you see here, roll to inside, so you know what your inside is. 2,500 kilo load rating. Some nice orange protectors up there on the straps. This is a 9 meter too, so roll him out, and there you are. There's your V-cut. Such a simple, innovative product. Well, redesign, just chopping it on an angle is just going to save people so much time and effort. Good product. Looking forward to getting it out in the field and testing it, and we'll let you know how that goes. But for now, big fan. Thank you very much to TEGRAL sending these out to us to give them a go. An awesome product. What an awesome product. Head to TEGRAL, check them out. Thank you very much, TEGRAL, for the care package, the hats, the jelly beans, the stickers. We've got some stickers I might throw on the back of the trailer, or even on the front. So you got one there. And we'll start writing all these straps today. Thank you very much. Thanks again, everyone watching. Thank you, TEGRAL. Head over to their website. I'll put it here. They have a huge range of everything you could think of for load restraints, coverings, tarpings, thermals, solutions, the works. Their list is just about endless. So get over, check them out. Again, TEGRAL, thank you very much.